Hi, my name is Francois Racine. Welcome to this 1-minute tip about SaveXperts. SaveXperts is a tool that is included in our toolkit named the UtilsXperts. Today I'm going to discuss about an enhancement that has been done to SaveXperts. It's about replacing the sheet format in multiple drawings. You know, in each drawing we can set the sheet format, which is the title block and the border, using the sheet properties, and here we can set the name of the file that is used, which is a SLDDRT file. So here in a certain folder I have many types of sheet formats, and usually I would have to open each drawing and change the file that is used for every sheet, which is quite long. So instead, let's close the drawing and start SaveXperts. So usually I would build a list of the drawings that I want to work with, but let's first configure the action. So here I will add an action of type replace sheet format, and this feature is not new, but in the previous versions I would have to manually make the association of every sheet format to replace with and the new one. So I would here take this existing sheet format, add it to the list, and set the sheet format to be used instead, like this here. Then I would have to take another sheet format that is used in my existing drawings and set the new one to be used. Okay. So with this list here, which works fine, when SaveXpert will open a drawing and process all the sheets, it will use the association here, and if this sheet format is found, it will be replaced with the new one. If this one here is found, it will be replaced by the new one. So I have to make a list of every possibilities, and if I miss one, then maybe a sheet will not have its sheet format replaced. So here comes the new feature. So I will just cancel and start back the same action here, and what's new, I can use the star here and then set the replacement sheet format. So in this case here, every sheet format that will be hit in a drawing will be replaced with the new one. So it's faster here to set, and it's also more stable. So there's no chance I can forget one or miss one. So for the rest, it's the same as for the previous versions. So I can just name the action, and then I can see it and use it in an action set. So thank you for watching.